Debbie with Food Prepping Channel, and today I'm going to fix something that I've made over and over again. It's just going to have a little twist to it this time. I'm making potato soup, but I'm going to call it Potato Corn Chowder because I'm going to put corn in it, and so it's going to be like a chowder. And what I've got in here is 2 onions and 3 stalks of celery, 1 stick of butter, and a little bit of avocado oil. And I'm just letting them saute. I'm going to turn the Instant Pot off now. I'm cooking this in my Instant Pot. I'm going to turn it off because I've got something that I want to show y'all. Let me get this over here so you can see. Alright. Alright. So I was going to fix a broth to go in here, and I thought I would open this. And you know, I've been seeing all these. I've had this for a good year probably, and I was seeing all these better than bouillons, and I thought, well, that's what this is going to be, something liquid. Well, it's not. It's like it's like a bouillon is what it is, and I thought it was kind of like the better than bouillon because it's broth based and seasoning chicken flavored, and it doesn't have on here that it's powder or whatever, and I hadn't looked at it. So anyway, let me tell you, right here I've got about 4 cups of water. I'm going to put, it says 2 teaspoons, let's see, 1 cup, so I'm not even sure how much to put in here. I'm just going to put some in because it's not going to hurt this potato soup, so that's probably not even enough, but we'll mix this up and see. I guess it would be add 2 level teaspoons of base mix to 1 cup of boiling water. Mix well. Well, that's one thing I'm doing wrong. I don't have boiling water, so that's wrong right off the bat, but we can mix it up, and it's going to be in the Instant Pot. I've got the Instant Pot IP Lux, the 8 quart one, and I'm making this potato corn chowder in it. Alright, so I'm going to go on, and I'm going to put my, now I'm not even going to turn it on. I'm going to go on, and let me get this up here so y'all can see. Alright, I'm going to pour this in here in my Instant Pot. And in here I've got, in this bowl, I've got about 5 red potatoes that I've cut up into little bitty pieces. And I've got 2 russet potatoes. And I'm going to go on and pour this in here. Alright. And I've got to get my corn out, and I'll bring you right back, and we're going to get this going. Okay, I'm back. Alright, so I'm going to go on, and this is my corn. I froze this last summer of 2018. I'm going to go on and put that in here. I'm going to put 2 teaspoons of kosher salt because we have all these potatoes in here. So I'm going to put 2 teaspoons of kosher salt in here. Alright. And I'm going to put about 1.5, well, I'll just make it a heaping teaspoon of coarse ground black pepper. Alright. And I'm fixing a big pot of cornbread to go with this. Alright, so I'm going to stir this up. Oh, this is going to be so good. I can't wait. And it was almost 90 degrees outside today. And I think today's the 22nd. I think tomorrow's the first day of fall. And it's we're still having around 90-degree weather. So, all right, so I'm going to put my lid on here. I'm going to make sure that this is set to sealing. I'm going to put this on here, lock it. I'll bring it on down so you can see. It's on lock. I'm going to go manual. I'm going to take it down to 30 minutes. And I'm just going to let this cook away. And I will bring you back. I'm going to fix my cornbread now. The only thing I do with cornbread is cornmeal, eggs, buttermilk, and that's it. Oil. I've got the oil in the oven now in my cast iron skillet, getting my skillet really hot and the oil getting hot. And I'm going to put this in the oven really fast, and I'll bring you back when this gets done. Okay, y'all, here's my cornbread. My potato soup isn't even ready yet, and the cornbread is... this is going to be so good. Now, let me tell you, this is Southern cornbread. This is not in any way Jiffy cornbread. It's not sweet. When I fix potato soup or potato corn chowder or whatever, I do not want sweet cornbread. So let me show you this. I still have 7 more minutes left. Oh. Alright, y'all. I'm going to put some butter in this. And I'm going to cut me a couple pieces of this to go with my soup. And I will bring you back. This is going to be such a good dinner. Alright, I'll bring you back. Okay, it's, I'm letting it come down to pressure. You can see that little red button right there. That's going to go down when I can open it. And then when I open it, I've got a couple more things that I've got to do. And I can't wait. My cornbread, I've already eaten a piece of cornbread. Oh, it's so good. I'll link below. I have to find which one is the one. I think I've got 2 or 3 cornbread recipes on here. The one I made tonight is my most simple cornbread. All I used was cornmeal, milk, and I put vinegar in it to make that like a buttermilk, 2 eggs, oil, and that's it. That's it. And I had my, it was my grandma's cast iron skillet, and I had gotten it very, very hot, and I had put, oh my gosh, I had put oil in it and let it get really hot, and so that the cornbread wouldn't stick to it, and cooked it on 425 for about 20 minutes until it got that brown, color on the top, and then I got it out. All right, now all right, so let me cut this off, and you're going to be able to see. I'm going to open it away from me because I can feel this is extremely hot. Oh. All right, let me put the lid over here because this is definitely hot. Oh my gosh, this is going to be so good. It smells so good. Alright, so I've got a 32. This is a 32 ounce container of heavy whipping cream. I've used about a 1/4 of it, so I'm going to put probably, let's see, 32. I used about 2 cups in here. Alright, and I'm going to put this on saute now and let this bring this, let me see, no, I'm going to put a little bit more in here, so to know for sure that, yeah, it's down to about right there. So I'll say 2 cups of heavy whipping cream. Now let me stir this up really good. Oh. All right, and now I've got a slurry in here. What I did, let me show you. What I did was I used 3 tablespoons of cold water and 3 heaping tablespoons of cornstarch. I just got the big thing of Argo cornstarch. All right, now I'm going to put this in here. And that's going to thicken this up as the temperature goes up. I'll let this go for about 10 more minutes. And I'll bring you back and we're going to eat some potato soup. Okay, I'm back and I'm ready to eat this. You know, I was thinking about it. This soup is really not thickening up like it usually does. And I know what it is. The best potatoes for potato soup is russet potatoes because they cook down. I only had 2 russet potatoes in here. The rest were red potatoes, and I've never used red potatoes in potato soup before, so it really didn't get as thick as I thought it was going to. And so I always put the oyster crackers in my potato soup. But this is, I keep saying potato soup, but this is potato corn chowder. And, all right, let me blow this off. Oh, gosh, and my cornbread is just falling apart over here. I have to get a bite with my spoon. This is really good. Really, really good. Even though our days are 90 degrees, tomorrow is the first day of spring. And it's got to start getting cold sooner or later. But I'm just waiting for those cooler days. I want to get out on my four-wheeler. It's just been so hot for me this year. So hot. It's just been hard for me to even go out of the house, except to go to Walmart or something like that. I haven't wanted to go on any day trips. I haven't wanted to do anything like I usually do. Look at that. Oh. I'm telling you, I didn't put as much celery in here as I usually do. If this had been just potato soup and not potato corn chowder, I would have put about 5 stalks of celery in here and 2 big onions, where I had 2 small onions in here. No, I would have put like probably a 2 medium onions, because I haven't really had any large onions until just recently. Most of the time when I get onions, they're medium, so I would have put 2 medium in here, but this time I put 2 small. And this is just, see the celery? The piece of celery and the 30 minutes. The 30 minutes in the Instapot is perfect. It's Instant Pot. Why was I saying Instapot? I'm telling you, my Instant Pots, both of them, are just amazing. I've got the Instant Pot Gem and then the Instant Pot pressure cooker, and I absolutely love them. And so I hope you like this video. When it gets cooler, if you'd like to go, fix you some of this, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, look below for links to my Facebook, my Twitter, and also I'll have a link below to the cornbread also. And I hope that you have a good night, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.